Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. We are currently in the basement of my home. We just got the truck washed, and this video is going to be about a review, a 1 month review. My first month on YouTube, so stay tuned for that. We're going to go over views, we're going to go over likes, we're going to go over subscribers. We're also going to go over what we did and what we accomplished. So stay tuned for that, but don't forget, 50 subscribers. Once we hit that 50 subscriber month, one of you guys is going to take those headlights home. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, and like the post or the video in regards to the headlight giveaway, and they're yours. So I'm gonna leave you with that headlight video giveaway right now, and I'll come back and we'll talk about the channel. 50 subscribers. Once we hit that mark, all you have to do is be subscribed to the channel. You have to follow me on Instagram and like that post or like that video. Once we hit that number, I'm gonna go ahead and do the random name draw. I'm gonna verify you're subscribed to the channel and verify that you're follow me on Instagram. Once you do that, you'll take those headlights home. So again, share this video, share any of the previous giveaway videos. We gotta get that mark, you guys. We just have to do it. So stay tuned. We're gonna go over the rest of this now and see what we've accomplished in our very first month on YouTube. All right, so I brought you guys in a little bit closer here. We're gonna go ahead on my phone and we're just gonna go ahead and look at these videos right now. Like I said, the support for the first month has been outstanding, and I thank every last one of you that has subscribed to me, liked my videos, even just watched my videos. It means a lot to me. We're not gonna slow down. We're not gonna just pump the brakes and give up. We're just gonna keep pushing. So I really hope you guys stick around for the ride, and I'm really excited to see where this goes. I have some big plans for the channel. I really hope that I can let you guys know one day what those final plans for my channel are. I think there's a lot of good in social media. I know a lot of people don't think there is, but I think there's a way that it can get turned around, and my plan is gonna be that. I really do hope that I can take social media, a different aspect of what most people do, and really show you guys how you can do more good than bad on social media. So let's go ahead and take a look at my very first video. Good afternoon, guys. I am a new YouTuber. This is my first official video. I'm introducing myself to the YouTube community as D-Max LBZ David. I'm creating this channel, and people, you don't gotta be some dude from California. You don't gotta be some dude from the East Coast, West Coast, you know, from the South, from Texas. Up in the North here, we can do it. You know, I was inspired by a couple other YouTubers to start. But anyways, this is my truck. It's a 2007 LBZ. There are modifications done to it. I'll make a separate video in regards to those modifications. I have a beautiful wife, I have a beautiful child, so please like, subscribe, and have an awesome day. Now, that video, I basically got kicked out of the house. My wife was like, hey, you've been wanting to do this for 2 years. Go out there, why don't you make a video? Just get it started. Well, once I made that video, I was like, I gotta keep on it. I gotta do my 2 videos a week, my Mondays and my Wednesdays, like I said. And with her support, I've been able to do that. It's been outstanding. With your guys' support, I've been able to do that outstanding. The video, that first video is pretty rough. You know, the wind noise on it is insane, and it's got 156 views, so it bothers me that my very first video's got 156 views, and I've got the terrible wind noise. You know, I think it's got 1 minute and 54 seconds of average view time, so I've got 16 likes on it, which is outstanding, but man, that wind was a killer. So hopefully this GoPro can help me out on this. And let's go ahead, let's review the headlights. I did the headlights. We'll look at the headlight video. We'll also look at the LEDs on top of that, because this kind of coincides with each other. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at these headlight videos that I did. Like I said, I'm gonna also involve the Auxbeam one as well right now, because it correlates to the headlights. So the headlight review that I did let's take a look at the analytics on that. So we added 3 subscribers to that one. Total watch time is 2.5 hours and 66 views, which is absolutely outstanding. The average view duration is 2 minutes and 14 seconds. Now that's great. I appreciate every last one of you for watching these videos. This is kind of cool that I get to take a look at all this stuff. I didn't know this was on here in regards to YouTube at all when I first started. Headlight install came out to be 2 hours of watch time with 62 views. Now I think it's up to 64 now, but it's, again, we've got an average view duration of a minute 54 again, and I'm just shocked as to how well some of these videos have done. I'm just thankful that you guys have been watching them, you guys have been liking the content, and for all my subscribers out there, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I can't say it enough. Now those 2 headlight videos alone, we've got 7 likes and 7 likes on both of them. Now the Auxbeam one ended up coming in at 45 views, and we'll take a look at the analytics on that. We have 1.9 watch hours, 45 views, not 43, with an average view duration of 2 minutes and 39 seconds. All right, so right before we go downstairs to finish up this video, I just want to take a look at the last week's Wednesday video. Now, this is currently the weekend, so this isn't, you know, obviously I didn't make this video on Monday and publish it, but I've got 36 views, which will probably go up a couple more views with 7 likes. The shocker on this video is the analytics. So I've got 36 views and already 1.7 hours of watch time. Now that's outstanding, because able to get that with that much watch time on half the views as the other one is that bad boy right there. Average view duration of 253. I'm shocked, I really am. So we're gonna head back down in the basement now. We're gonna finish up this video. I'm getting anywhere from 45 to 65 views a video, and that is outstanding. I never anticipated that would ever happen my first month on YouTube, and I'm well over 500 views on my videos, and it's outstanding. I can't even thank you guys enough for the support. When you're watching those videos, hit that like button right away. It helps the channel, it helps a lot with the videos, so just do it. As soon as you click on it, hit that like button and watch that rest of that video. Once we hit that 50 subscriber mark, we're gonna go ahead and give those headlights away to you guys. So follow me on Instagram, subscribe to the channel, and like I said, like that post or the video that's in regards to the giveaway, and you're entered. It's just that simple. Now I know this video has been, you know, a lot of me talking and no installs, nothing crazy going on, or no driving, nothing at all pretty much, just me sitting here in front of the camera talking to you guys. But I really do want to do these once a month at the beginning of each month, to look back at the previous month. I think it's really cool to watch. You'll be able to watch the channel grow with these type of videos, and it really keeps me humble and makes me look back and just thank all of you. It's outstanding when I look back and look at all the views and the likes and the subscribers that I gained. I can't thank you guys enough. So please subscribe to the channel, like my videos, follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna leave you with this giveaway, and let's hit that goal of 50 subscribers and see where this channel takes us.